My name is Emilia and this is week 7 of my open case study. We're starting off with the Glycolic cleanser from SkinScript. Next I'm going in with the Fruit Enzyme Exfoliator from IOKA and I'm going to let that sit for about 5 minutes. Next I'm using the Coconut Papaya Enzyme from SkinScript, and while that sits I'm going to microchannel over it to push it in a little deeper. Once I remove the enzyme, I'm going to go ahead and microchannel over the entire back and apply a Peptide serum from EpiP. Next I'm adding the EpiP Hyalon Serum and melting the tip into the skin. Next, I mixed a couple of different serums together, but I'm going to go ahead and microchannel that into the skin. Next, we're going in with the Coconut Restorative Mask from SkinScript, and I'm going to let that sit for about 15 minutes. Once we remove the mask, I'm going to go in with the Calm Water Gel from Dermalogica to finish up the back facial.